truth in my eyes. Thunder rolled through the fields last night. Now the world smells clean and the sky's gone wide. I've been a fool, I've been a fighter. Try to kill the spark that made me lighter, but I can feel that heat again. Yeah, it's crawling under my skin. Morning rising, burning gold, lighting up the wreck I call my soul. Ain't no saint, but I'm still trying. I'm still standing. Morning rising, boots still muddy from the miles I've done. Haunted by the man I was running from, but every dawn cuts through the haze. Reminds me mercy is just a step away. Yeah. Can't change the past, but I can face it. Forgive the ghost, maybe I'll erase it. And when that sunlight hits my hands, I'll start again, best I can. Morning rising, burning gold, lighting up the wreck I call my soul. Ain't no saint, but I'm still trying. I'm still standing. Morning rising. There's a fire on the hill, I can feel it in my chest. Something wild and alive won't let me rest. Maybe grace ain't gone, it just took its time to meet me here at the edge of the line. Morning rising, burning gold, lighting up the wreck I call my soul. I'm still breathing, still defying, still standing. Morning rising.
We built our love like a wildfire rising, smoke in our lungs, but we called it surviving. You strike the match just to watch me glow. Now I'm ashes, baby, you still don't know. You said the flames were holy, but hell was all I learned. I gave you heat and glory, and nothing in return. We used to burn, but we burned so bright, lit up the dark like it owed us the night. Now the sparks are gone, and the coals don't turn. You took my fire and left me to yearn. Yeah, we used to burn, now I just watch it die. You talk about love like a worn-out story, all cracked truth and faded glory. I bit my tongue till the blood ran thin. Tried to forget what you do again. You made your bed in thunder, then cursed the pouring rain. I kept you warm, I wonder. You gave me smoke and pain. We used to burn,